Hello everyone, if you're facing this error on your computer, DPC Watchdog Violation, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then now you're going to search for your graphics card's driver. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're going to search for NVIDIA GPU. If you have an AMD card, you're going to search for AMD. And if you have an Intel card, you're going to search for Intel. So what you're going to do is you're going to update your graphics card's driver. So just go on to nvidia.com. I'll show you Nvidia first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. So just click onto drivers here and then scroll down and fill in this form. After that, select your OS and then click start search. Wait for it to find the correct driver for you. Here it is, just download the latest driver. And now I'll show you how to do it on AMD. So just go on to amd.com. Now click on to resources, click drivers, scroll down, fill in this form, select your graphics card's driver. After that, select your operating system, download the driver. And now I'll show you how to do it on Intel. So just go on to Intel's website, download the latest driver. And once you're done with that, now you're just gonna go ahead and install the drivers. And after that, you're gonna restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play any game or do whatever that you wanted to do, you'll see that you will not get that watchdog violation error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.